Hi, it's Dr. Mercola, and today I'd like to talk to you about one of the most important minerals in your body that you typically don't hear very much about. And that mineral? Silica. It's a trace mineral and it provides strength and flexibility to all the vital connective tissue in your body. Your hair, skin, bones, joints, cartilage, tendons, and even your blood vessels. Now, all of these tissues are primarily made up of collagen. And silica is an absolute necessity for building healthy collagen. Now, several factors can cause you to lose collagen: age, stress, and poor diet. Silica plays a major role in helping to rebuild your collagen. Healthy, youthful collagen is flexible and strong and very rich in silica. And when your collagen breaks down, it can lead to brittle bones and limited mobility. Now, by promoting the proper deposit of calcium into your bones, silica supports normal remineralization of your bones. And silica is also important for your hair, skin, and nails, and it helps bring essential nutrients to your hair follicles and nail beds, creating full, thick hair and strong nails. Now, the elasticity and firmness of your skin depends on the collagen, and silica acts to nourish and regenerate and boost the strength of your collagen, making your skin appear firmer and more youthful looking. So if silica is so good for you, what are the best sources of it? Well, the main sources of silica is cereal grains. So if you follow a gluten-free diet or limit grains, as I suggested in my first best-selling book, The No Grain Diet, you're likely not getting enough silica in your diet to support your body's needs. Now, the most popular supplemental sources of silica are horsetail and bamboo, but both of these sources have absorption rates of around 3% or less. Fortunately, our Silica Collagen Builder contains living silica, which is a highly bioavailable source of silica that helps rebuild collagen. And best of all, our formula has been tested for its effectiveness in providing your body with the raw material it needs to boost healthy collagen levels to form strong connective tissue. So, take control of your health with our Silica Collagen Builder and see how it can help you feel radiant, youthful, and energized.